Welcome to my channel, I'm Bea. My channel is about art journaling, mixed media, collage, assemblage and anything else that sparks my interest. Now enjoy my video. Hi everybody! Time again for a weekly budget-friendly background. This time I made sure that I really have a heavy gesso, and I even did add a layer of matte fluid medium, because we're going to use again the Vaseline, and I want to make sure that the Vaseline doesn't go through the paper. I wanted a sort of a slick, non-porous surface here, so that the Vaseline stays on top. And this time we're going to use stencils, and really I recommend use plastic stencils, because the Vaseline just penetrates to the paper stencils. Ask me how I know. I won't tell you. Anyway, so, and I have one cosmetic sponge which I have just for the Vaseline. I'm probably gonna throw it out afterwards, or maybe I wash it out with some soap, I don't know. Just a little bit forewarning here. So I simply go into the Vaseline, and I need one of those cheap credit cards, and dab it a little bit so that I don't have a whole blob here, but just enough to go through my stencil. And no, you can't see a thing whether you have hit the polka dots or not. I have no idea. Maybe I do miss some of them, but that's fine with me. So this stencil I'm gonna wash afterwards with some liquid soap for sure. And I don't know whether you can see it. If I hold it like this, barely. I can sort of see it where I have, and it looks like I missed dots here and here, but oh well. So next I'm gonna use some acrylic paint, and I also need to grab my water. I need it a little bit fluid, so if you have already a fluid paint, you don't need that step. And then I simply go over, just dabbing it. So now that has to dry. I'm gonna use the heat gun, and I will be back when it is dry. So it is dry, and I'm ready for my next stencil. And this time I'm gonna use some blue. First I need the Vaseline again. Okay. So when you use the heat tool, don't go too close. We don't want to melt the Vaseline. So it is a balance between getting it dry quickly and not to melt down the Vaseline. So it is dry now, and again, it's a plastic stencil. And I'm gonna add more Vaseline. Where is my... Again, you don't want big blobs on here, you just want sort of a flat layer which you can apply then to your substrate. That's what I have so far. Okay, that has to dry again. And now we need to remove the, remove the Vaseline a bit. So I simply grab a towel and wipe off and you can see wherever the Vaseline was, the paint is coming off. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed and hope to see you soon somewhere online.